Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 356, Deep Scan versus Quick Scan. Power Pages offers a couple of different scans to help you improve the security and stability of your site, the Quick Scan and the Deep Scan. In this tip, we'll look at the differences between these two options. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Let's start with the Quick Scan. It used to be known as the Portal Checker, which we looked at in tip number 88, and is available via the Power Platform Admin Center in the Site Health area for your Power Pages site. As the name implies, this scan typically runs in a matter of seconds. The Quick Scan is checking against a rule set that is looking at simple settings that are pretty easy to verify. For example, it checks to see if the web application firewall is enabled or if table permissions are granted to anonymous users. It doesn't have to load pages from the site itself. Instead, it can just look at the different settings for the site. The Deep Scan, on the other hand, actually loads pages from the site and scans them against a rule set of known web vulnerabilities. You can even have it load pages that require authentication. Depending on the size of your site, a Deep Scan can take anywhere from minutes to hours. You can start a Deep Scan from the Power Platform Admin Center or from the Security Workspace in the Power Pages Design Studio. Both of these scans provide useful information. While there is some overlap, running both of these scans on your site is recommended to help you improve the security and stability of your Power Pages site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 356 on Deep Scan versus Quick Scan useful.